ਇਕ ਓਕਾਰ ਸਤਨਾਮ ਕਰਤਾ ਪੁਰਖ ਨਿਰਭਉ ਨਿਰਵੈਰ ਅਕਾਲ ਮੂਰਤ ਅਜੂਨੀ ਸੈਭੰ ਗੁਰ ਪ੍ਰਸਾਦ। One universal creator God, the name is truth, creator being personified, no fear, no hatred, image of undying, beyond birth, self existence, by Guru's grace. By Guru's grace, we are going to discuss new revised chemistry syllabus for class 11 for session 2020-21 by Amrik Singh, PGT Chemistry. We have Unit 1, some basic concept of chemistry. There are two columns. In first column, reflecting syllabus 2019-20, and column number second, syllabus is revised syllabus for session 2020-21. For Unit 1, previously we had 12 periods, now we require 10 periods. And you are clearly seeing that in red color the syllabus is deleted, and whole syllabus for unit 1 is for session 2020-21, that is general introduction, importance and scope of chemistry, atomic and molecular masses, mole concept and molar mass, percentage composition, empirical formula and molecular formula, chemical reaction, stoichiometry and calculation based on stoichiometry. Unit number 2, structure of atom. We have two columns. First column for previous session, and this second column is revised curriculum for 2020-21. Again in red portion, for syllabus is deleted. Now revised syllabus for 2020-21 is Bohr model of atom and limitation, concept of shell and subshell, dual nature of matter and light, de Broglie principle, Heisenberg uncertainty principle, concept of orbital, quantum number, shapes of sp and d orbitals, rules for filling electrons in orbitals, Abbo principle, Pauli exclusion principle, and Hertz rule, electronic configuration of atoms, stability of half filled and completely filled orbitals. Now unit number 3, classification of element and periodicity in properties. Now revised syllabus is modern periodic law and the present form of periodic table, periodic transition properties of elements like atomic radii, ionic radii, inert gas radii, ionization enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy, electronegativity, valency, nomenclature of element with atomic number greater than 100. It is the revised syllabus and it required only 6 periods. Now unit number 4, chemical bonding and molecular structure. Nothing is changed here. All the topics are same. There are 12 topics: valence electron, ionic bond, covalent bond, bond parameter, Lewis structure, polar character of covalent bond, covalent character of ionic bond, valence bond theory, resonance, geometry of covalent molecules, Vesper theory, concept of hybridization involving sp and d orbitals and shape of some simple molecules, molecular orbital theory of homonuclear diatomic molecules, quantitative idea only, hydrogen bond. It's all about chemical bonding and it requires 14 periods. Now in number 5, states of matter, gases and liquids. Now it requires 9 periods. Now there is comparison you already showing here. 3 states of matter, intermolecular interaction, types of bonding, melting and boiling point, role of gas law in elucidating the concept of molecule, Boyle's law, Charles' law, Gay-Lussac's law, and Avogadro's law, ideal behavior, empirical derivation of gas equation, Avogadro's number, ideal gas equation, derivation from ideal behavior. Again in red, the syllabus is deleted, curriculum table Column first is curriculum for 2019-20. Previously 12 periods, now 9 periods are required. Unit number 6, chemical thermodynamics. Here also not so much syllabus is changed. No, almost zero change. Only two topics are changed. Heat capacity specificity is removed. Criteria for equilibrium is removed. Now there are 9 topics: concept of system and types of systems, surrounding, work, heat, energy, extensive and intensive properties, state function. First law of thermodynamics, internal energy and enthalpy. Point number third topic is measurement of delta U and delta H. Fourth is Hess law of constant heat summation. Fifth one is enthalpy of bond dissociation, combustion, formation, atomization, sublimation, phase transition, ionization, solution and dilution. Second law of thermodynamics, brief introduction only. Seventh, introduction of entropy as a state function, gives free energy change for spontaneous and non-spontaneous processes. Third law of thermodynamics, and it requires 16 periods. Periods are same as in the previous year syllabus. Now unit number 7, equilibrium. Here also there is not so much change. There are on previously there were 11 topics, now there are 9 topics. Equilibrium in physical and chemical processes, dynamic nature of equilibrium, law of mass action, equilibrium constant point. Topic number 3 is factor affecting equilibrium, Leach-Atelier principle. Fourth one is ionic equilibrium, ionization of acids and bases. Fifth one is strong and weak electrolytes, degree of ionization, ionization of polybasic acid, acid strength, concept of pH, buffer solution, solubility product, common ion effect. These are 9 topics and they require 12 periods. Now unit number 8, redox reaction. Very small change, one topic is changed. Previously there were 5 topics, now there are 4 topics and 4 periods are required now. Concept of oxidation and reduction, redox reaction, oxidation number, balancing of redox reaction in terms of loss and gain of electron and change in oxidation number. 4 periods are required. Now hydrogen, revised curriculum for 2020-21 is position of hydrogen in periodic table, occurrence, isotopes, hydride, ionic and covalent, and interstitial hydride, physical and chemical properties of water, heavy water, hydrogen as a fuel. And it's the new syllabus for session, revised syllabus for session 2020-21. 4 periods are required. Now, next unit is 10, S block element, alkali and alkaline earth metals. Previously 8 topics were there. Here is large changes there. Now previously 10 periods were required in session 2019-20. Now only 5 periods are required and 4 topics are there only. Group 1 and 2 elements in general introduction, electronic configuration, occurrence, anomalous properties of elements of each group, diagonal relationship. Third one is strength in variation properties such as ionization, enthalpy, atomic and ionic radii. Trend is chemical reactivity with oxygen, water, hydrogen and halogen uses. Unit number 11, P block elements. There are also some changes there, and now revised syllabus. In revised syllabus only 9 periods are required. Now first is general introduction to P block element, group 13 element, general introduction, electronic configuration, occurrence, variation of properties, oxidation state, and in chemical reactivity, anomalous properties of first element of the group. Boron, physical and chemical property, group 14 element, general introduction, electronic configuration, occurrence, variation of properties, oxidation state, and chemical reactivity, anomalous behavior of first element. Carbon, catenation, allotropic forms, physical and chemical property. Topic, if we see the first column, the 4th and 7th topic are deleted now. Only 9 periods are required now. Now unit number 12, organic chemistry, some basic principle and techniques. Only if we see first column, only second topic is in red, therefore it is deleted. Methods of purification, quantitative and qualitative analysis is deleted now. Now revised curriculum for 2020-21 require only 10 periods for this unit, and the 5 topics are general introduction, classification and IPSC nomenclature of organic compound, electronic displacements in equivalent bond, inductive effect, electromeric, resonance and hyperconjugation, homolytic and heterolytic fission of a covalent bond, free radicals, carbocation, carbon ions, electrophiles and nucleophile. Last topic, fifth, is types of organic reactions. Now we are moving to unit number 13, that is hydrocarbon. All the unit is same and there is not so much change, only free radical mechanism of halogenation, combustion and pyrolysis is deleted from topic number 2. Other syllabus is same. We have alkane, alkyne, alkenes, aromatic hydrocarbon, benzene, their preparation, physical properties, chemical properties with mechanisms are all included here. And it's now we are moving to unit number 14. Environmental chemistry is totally deleted. Now there are only 13 unit in spite of having 14 unit. In previous session we had 14 unit, but now there are only 13 unit for new session. And if we see here old versus revised curriculum, now old we have number of unit 14, now in column 2 number of unit 13, 2020-21. Number of period were previously 160, now they are reduced to very much as you are seeing, and marks are same 70-70. The end, it's all about the syllabus of +1 as per CBSE. Revise the syllabus. It's the new revised syllabus for class 11 for subject chemistry. Thank you for showing the cooperation and seeing the lecture regarding the change in syllabus.